Welcome to iPad 365. Today we're talking about productivity apps and Dropbox, and of course a really cool item that you might want to get to make it feel like your iPad is a typewriter. Hey everybody, welcome to iPad 365, the show where we review an app a day to keep your iPad in play. My name is Jeffrey Powers, and today we're doing productivity apps like we do on Thursdays for iPad 365. Of course, the show officially starts on Sunday, and we have a really cool, fun app. So come back on Sunday morning, open it like a brand new Christmas present. I know you're going to have a hangover, so you'll probably go, oh, I don't want to look at the iPad app right now. But if you do, you're going to find some really cool stuff in your New Year's stocking. I don't know, do you have a New Year's stocking? I have New Year's stockings, I think. I'm just wearing stockings. I don't know. Anyway, let's get into your productivity app for today. You know, your iPad has 16 gigabytes, it has 32 gigabytes, or it has 64 gigabytes, which is great. But what happens when you go over those limits? Well, now we have a thing that's called cloud storage. There's many different companies out there. Of course, Apple has iCloud. You have Amazon's cloud. But you also have another program, and it's called Dropbox. And that's actually a little bit more than a cloud solution here. It's available for your computer or your mobile device, whether it be an iPhone or an iPad or even an Android system. And it's a great way to put all your videos, your photos, and your audio into the cloud so you don't have it locally stored onto your tablet. You know, just like the iCloud, Dropbox uses the storage, but it's got an extra feature, and that is third-party applications that you can add to your Dropbox. For instance, I know that there's a social network application that you can add to your Dropbox to turn it into like a very private Facebook between you and maybe your clients or something like that. So those messages don't get out on Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn or anything like that. It's a more private situation. Now, I don't know if there's an iPad version for the file, so I'm not going to talk about the actual third-party application. I do know it's for Mac only, so if you're running PCs, then you won't be able to use that third-party piece of software. But there's other third-party applications that control your music, have a music player just right there for you, control pictures, so on and so forth. The best part about Dropbox is you share your Dropbox with different people. I have a couple different clients. We share a Dropbox, so we can pull video, pull audio. If I want to show them a new video or tell them, hey, they give me a video to edit or something like that, then they can put it in the Dropbox and it comes straight to me. So I can. It's a great program. It's a great program to have on your iPad. The first 2 gigabytes of Dropbox is absolutely free. After that, they have some pay models if you need more storage in the cloud. But it's a great way to store your video, your audio, and your pictures. And that is Dropbox. Of course, iPad 365 doesn't always talk about applications. We'll also talk about products and cool things that people can do with their iPads. For example, check this out. It's called the iStation. It's an iPad dock that also holds your keyboard and has built-in speakers, volume control, and stuff like that. It kind of looks and reminds me a little bit of a typewriter, which is pretty cool. Somebody just has to create a steampunk keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard that you can hit, the old hammer keys, except you can't have the hammers because that will go onto the screen and I'll probably crash the screen or something like that. That's probably not good for the iPad. Anyway, the iStation is available and it comes in many different flavors. You can get a wood flavor or, white or gray or something like that. Price is actually $85.90, and we'll put the link in the show notes so you can get yourself an iStation. And that's the show. iPad 365 will officially start on January 1st. What application do you use most? Let me know. Twitter me at iPad365 or email at iPad365show@gmail.com. iPad365show@gmail.com. Tell me there. Thanks a lot for watching. Actually, tomorrow we weren't going to do a Friday show, kind of get ready for the new year and the actual 365 days, but I already have a question, and we're going to answer that question tomorrow, so we're going to do that. We will see you tomorrow with the viewer's choice version of iPad 365. This is Jeffrey Powers, and until then, take care.